Alright, so this is a quick demo of the Radix UI integration into the low-code environment. We imported this demo into the environment. It's not something that can be done in a straightforward way because this is TypeScript. So basically we've had to convert the TypeScript code to JavaScript. ChatGPT can do that pretty well. And then fix a couple of items within the JSX itself. But otherwise, it's just a straightforward import into this environment just to show all the components being rendered in a low-code environment. And then, once you have this, of course, when you're doing an actual development, you're not going to be necessarily working with a full page like this. You'll likely start with something much more minimal. But we have this in our local environment, and we can now begin to make changes to it. Let's change that heading. The simple example. This has a lot of white space around it. I'm not sure if that's supposed, I don't think it should be, but say marketing team. We hit save. Maybe we want to make this, add an italic to that, which is not part of the original, but you can integrate that, and that goes into effect right away. You can drag and drop things, and you can even save some of these as building blocks, right? So if we took this marketing component here, we can save it as a building block. If I can find which one it is, which specific node, probably card. Yeah, I think it's this card. I can just right click on this and save it as a prefab. I'm gonna call it pricing widget. That's basically what it is. It's just gonna take that composition and save it as something that you can then reuse later. Let's ask for the location. So you do need to have access to the actual RAD kit, meaning it has to be your RAD kit so that you can save that stuff in there. We'll skip this for now. I can't actually remember which of the RAD kits we're using, but you can save that, and what would happen is it's going to end up on this palette, and you can reuse it. It means that other people can reuse it. I think this shows that all the components in here are accessible in a low-code fashion. When you hover over it, you can see the tag showing down here. So that tells you that you have low-code access to it. You can add event handlers to these. For instance, if you want to add an on-click onto this, if you click this, you can open up the event options. It gives you access to all the browser events, and you can add code in here, including calling other JavaScript modules. So hopefully this is enough to demo the Radix integration. Thank you.